What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seat in this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now we already have the front seats removed in this vehicle. You don't have to take the front seats out. It's easier to show on film what we're doing. So we're going to take the rear seat, grab this handle underneath this strap, lock that seat like that. With the seat in the up position, I'm going to take an 18mm socket and a ratchet, and we want to take this nut out behind here. This is for the seat belt. Take this one off. Take this nut off. Slide this bracket up. We can grab from up here and grab the seatbelt and slide it out of the way. Just put it right there. To remove the seat, you actually don't have to remove this one. Just slide the belt buckles through the bottom. I want to remove these 4 nuts. There's 2 on this side and 2 on that side. If on this side, if the jack is in your way, there's supposed to be a jack right here. It's not here on this vehicle. You're gonna wanna pull that out. And then I'll just take the 18mm socket and a ratchet and take these nuts out. So when you take the last nut out of that bracket, the seat is gonna fold forward a little bit. So don't worry about that. It shouldn't fall all the way. It's just lifting up from the back side of the bracket. Just be aware. Now we're gonna lift it out. It's a good idea to grab a helper because this seat is very heavy. What we're gonna do is fold that seat in, grab underneath, lift up, and then we can slide it out one of the doors. Down. It's just mostly awkward. It's not wicked heavy. You got it. So on the back side of the seat, this is these hooks. This is why you need to lift the seat up to get those hooks out of the anchors in the vehicle. Now we're going to use a partner and slide the seat back in.
I'll go around?
Sure. Now you want to slide those hooks in the back up top first, and then try to get the brackets to line up down below. Perfect. All right, thanks, Sue. Now we're gonna install the nuts. 2 on the other side and then 2 on this side. All right, now I'm gonna tighten these up. Just use a 18mm socket and a ratchet. I'm gonna use an 18mm socket and a torque wrench, and I'm gonna torque these nuts and then ones on the other side to 37 foot-pounds. Now we can remove this seat belt from up here. You want to slide this down here. You want to make sure it's not twisted. I'm just going to slide the seat forward a little and tuck it in. And take this bracket. It's going to go on here. Like that. Take this nut, install the nut, and then I'll torque that to 33 foot-pounds. take the buckle side over here and tuck these in. So with this tip down a little bit, try to push these through. There we go. There we go. And there's the seat.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.